Hey guys, I'm CB. I'm gonna play a little song tonight. This is a song that I wrote when I was going through a pretty rough time. I could say that time's still going on. Here it is. There's a house in the backyard where my dog used to live. And there's a hole in my heart where he died. Dear pen pal, I'm writing to sort out these feelings inside. 2, 3, 4. My parents, they don't understand. My teachers, they don't get it. I went to friends for guidance, now I'm starting to regret it. It's easy to see my friends are all more fucked up than me. Well, my buddy Matt's a tough guy and keeps it sanitary. He really likes vagina so much it's kind of scary. He loves pussy, he loves pussy, he loves pussy. An agnostic Jew, praying to both Allah and ISIS. She's a walking identity crisis. Well, Van is such a stoner that couldn't get much higher. His sister's stuck in juvie because she lit this chick on fire. There's Trisha and there's Marcy, oh how could I forget? When it comes to cops and alcohol, they'll take what they can get. I wonder if they realize they're giant lesbians yet. Beethoven sits at his piano all alone. I don't know whether to twist his arm behind his back or jump his bones. Dear pen pal, dear pen pal, I've got so much more to say. Please hurry with answers. Our show's only 1 week away. From the 19th of